For our van we opted for the Thule manual sliding step. This was easy to fit and it was lightweight. The step itself essentially just bolts onto the underneath of the van and slides out using a manual pull-out. It was fitted using an aluminium bracket here that you can see, which we purchased separately. This was then bolted into the side of the van. Here, as you can see. At this point I'm dry fitting the unit, but please note the aluminium bracket goes onto the back of that lip. After fully checking the location of the holes, here I'm fitting a riv nut into the hole that I drilled. This is so that I can add a bolt into the bottom of the vehicle to hold that rear bracket of the unit. So here you'll see the finished product. It's held on by the two bolts at the front here that you can see, along with the two riv nuts that we saw earlier. The front two supports are connected to a piece of aluminium which we saw earlier. This is then bolted onto the lip here. The final thing to do is to drill a couple of screws into the sides to hold the unit into place. The mounting method was very economic as well as rock solid. I hope this quick video gives you a good idea of how to fit the step. Thank you for watching and please help us to grow by liking and subscribe. Also please leave a comment.